Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about what does the bell icon with slash next to the text message on your iPhone means. If you go over here and you can see there is something over here to this particular chat, you can see there is an icon over there, kind of a bell icon. What does this mean? So this is all about me. This particular person who I'm trying to send me the message is completely silenced. That what does mean? So it is completely silenced. So the next time when he send the message, it won't appear here in the notification, neither it won't appear in the lock screen as well. I have completely muted the conversation with that particular person. So if you're having any kind of friends which is really annoying, or you're having any kind of coworker which is really irritating, you can just keep them on the silent mode. So any kind of conversation from that particular contact will be not shown the notification, and even in the lock screen it won't appear. And also make sure one more thing, you might be asking a question or you might be having a kind of thing that whether they will be able to know this. They'll not be able to know this. You have silenced them over here. And down the road, if you wanted to remove that, what you need to do is you have to go over here, swipe to the left, and you'll be having this option. From here you have to tap on this bell icon, so it will not be silenced hereafter. So it will be visible in the notifications as well as in the lock screen. And also if you wanted to do the same, whether you wanted to silence them, not them, any conversation, go to the conversation, swipe to the left like this, then you have to tap on this icon over here. Now it is reappearing, which means it is silenced once again. So that's what it means, and this is one of the easiest way to get rid of from these kind of people and conversation. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.